When I started this course, I was really nervous about all the challenges that it will imply to be in here. But with every activity we have done in this semester, I will learn new tips to become a better presenter. Like, for example, have good information, practice as many times as possible, keep eye contact, do movements but not too many, and use my voice and volume to connect with the audience. Personally, I think I am a much better presenter than I was on the first day of this class. I think there's a lot I would like to improve. Like, for example, to me, it's way more easier to present in front of the camera, even when I'm not editing my videos, than in a live audience, which means I really need to practice to do my presentation in crowds and not being afraid of this. This course has helped me on gaining confidence in myself to know that if I want to, I can become a real good presenter with practice. And these tips are something that I would like to use in my personal and laboral life. Thank you.